Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Klipper office tester. We've just finished up the rebuild on this unit. It is in like new condition now. We're going to go over this unit and discuss what we've done to it. We've made it much better than it was. We completely disassembled this unit, refinished it, checked over all of the working components. Everything is in good shape. As I said before, we completely rebuilt this unit. These older office testers are really cool. They have this iris that controls the airflow into the fan that allows you to tailor it perfectly to the sample of seed that you're cleaning. It's all controlled by this lever up here. If I pull that back and forth, you can see that the iris opens and closes. We came up with this nice, convenient safety shield that covers up the drive and fan belts. This safety shield is much nicer than the bulky and hard to access safety shields that come on the new office testers. We also built this diverter chute that channels the scalpings as they come out of the shoe, and it allows you to funnel them into any container that you put down below here. You can see the back side of the safety shield here. To flip down this safety shield, it's very easy. You take off this one wing nut. I can't do it one-handed, so I will remove the wing nut and then show you what it looks like behind the guard. Okay, I've removed the wing nut. Now it's time to flip down the guard. We also made a kickstand, for lack of a better term, that catches the guard when you flip it down. The kickstand holds up the guard and allows you to access the fan belt and the drive belt. It makes inspecting or oiling the bushings or any other part that is behind the guard very easy. As I said before, you just remove one wing nut, the guard flips down, and you have easy access for cleaning or maintenance. You can see the iris working on this side as well. I've turned the office tester around to give you a look at the end here. We modify these units and install the electric motor up underneath. That allows us to make the safety shield very compact. Typically on the older office testers, the motor is mounted up here and they come with a large bulky guard. You can see the clean grain discharge here. The clean grain drops into this pan after it's gone through the seed cleaner. You can see down inside of the shoe here, we've loaded it up with some brand new screens. These older office testers take brand new screens and older used screens. Now this right here is the chaff catch-all. This is slid down onto the fan discharge, and that catches the chaff as it's blown out from the fan. Okay, I've plugged the unit in to 110 power. Just hit the on switch, it fires right up, hums right along, just like a sewing machine. I absolutely love these older units. The wood grain is just beautiful on these. Everything has a nice sheen to it. These older clippers are just beautiful. You can see the iris working here again. That iris is really cool. Again, the iris is used to tailor the flow of air up and through your product perfectly to the needs of your crop or any sample that you're running through the office tester. You can see the unit running from the other side here. I've dropped the safety shield so you can see the fan belt and the drive pulley. This is an all-round nice unit. It has been completely rebuilt. It is in like new condition again, and it is ready to go out and perform for a long time. Thank you for watching.